Hello, today we will guide you through how to update Photoshop CC easily using the Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop. To start, make sure you've saved your work. If Photoshop is currently open, it's a good idea to close it so the update can install smoothly. You'll also want a stable internet connection, since the Creative Cloud Desktop app downloads the update files for you. Open the Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop application on your computer. You can launch it from your Applications or Programs list or by searching for Creative Cloud. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Adobe account and complete any verification steps so the app can check your licenses and updates. Once Creative Cloud is open, go to the Apps section. This is where you'll see everything installed on your device, as well as any available updates. The layout may show categories like Installed, Available Updates, or All Apps, and you'll find controls for each app in one place. On the right side of this screen, look for the option labeled View Updates. Click it to bring up the current list of apps that have updates ready. This view focuses specifically on what needs your attention, so you don't have to scroll through everything else. In our example, Photoshop isn't appearing in the updates list, but another Adobe app, such as InDesign, is visible. That's perfectly fine. The process is exactly the same for Photoshop. The interface and buttons you see here for InDesign mirror what you'll see for Photoshop when it has an update available. When Photoshop does appear in this list, simply click the Update button next to it. Creative Cloud will begin downloading and installing the latest version. You'll see a progress indicator, and depending on your connection speed and the size of the update, this may take a few minutes. If the app asks for permission to make changes to your device, approve it so the installation can continue. While the update runs, you can let Creative Cloud work in the background. For best results, keep Photoshop closed until the update finishes. When it's done, the button will switch to Open, and you can launch Photoshop right from here with the newest features, bug fixes, and performance improvements in place. If Photoshop doesn't show under View Updates, it might already be up to date, or it may not be installed under your current account. Also keep an eye on available disk space. Insufficient storage can pause updates. Optional settings like keeping previous versions or turning on Auto Update are available in Creative Cloud Preferences if you prefer more control. That's it. Your Photoshop CC update is complete using the Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop app.